The DJI Mini 4 Pro has been revealed in new photos, showcasing the retail box and drone specifications. This leak provides enthusiasts with a sneak peek at what they can expect from DJI's upcoming drone release. So, if you're ready to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level, keep watching. The upcoming Mini 4 Pro drone from DJI is poised to carry on the company's legacy of pushing the boundaries of what a sub-250-gram drone can achieve. Notably, it's anticipated to introduce omnidirectional obstacle sensing to the highly popular Mini series. With the Mini 4 Pro's 48MP camera, it seems that you can anticipate more cinematic video capabilities. What's more, the leaked information indicates a significant improvement in the drone's video transmission technology compared to the Mini 3 Pro, which had a 12 kilometers range with a standard battery. The new Mini drone is likely to enable full HD video transmission from distances as far as 20 kilometers away, offering expanded possibilities for remote filming. In the images, you can see a camera in the front with a 24mm/1.7 lens mounted on a 3-axis gimbal. While this setup may appear similar to last year's DJI Mini 3 Pro, the packaging reveals that there are noteworthy improvements. According to the information provided, the new drone is claimed to have the capability to record videos at up to 4K resolution with a faster frame rate of 100 fps, surpassing its predecessor's 60 fps limit. Moreover, it is reported to feature HDR support, true vertical shooting, and several intelligent functions including focus track, waypoint flight, and hyperlapse, enhancing its versatility for capturing dynamic and creative shots. The images of the next-generation Mini drone reveal a significant redesign with a notable increase in the number of sensors in the front. Unlike its predecessor, which had 2 front-facing sensors, the Mini 4 boasts 4 sensors in the front section of the drone. This doubling of the sensor count enhances the drone's obstacle detection and avoidance capabilities, making it safer and more reliable during flight. Among these 4 front sensors, 2 are directed forward, allowing the drone to detect obstacles in its flight path. The other 2 sensors are positioned to face the rear, providing additional coverage for detecting and avoiding obstacles behind the drone. While the images do not show the bottom section of the drone, it's a reasonable assumption that, like the previous model, the Mini 4 also features 2 downward-facing sensors. These downward sensors are crucial for maintaining stable and safe flight, especially when flying close to the ground or during indoor flights. Overall, the increased number of sensors and their strategic placement on the Mini 4 drone is a notable enhancement, improving its overall obstacle sensing capabilities and making it a more reliable and user-friendly option for drone enthusiasts. Active Track is indeed a valuable feature available on some of DJI's more advanced drones, such as the Mavic Air 2. While it hasn't been included in the Mini series drones thus far, there's anticipation and hope that the Mini 4 will introduce it. Active Track would enable the Mini 4 to autonomously track and follow a moving subject, simplifying the process of capturing dynamic footage without the need for manual drone control. It's a feature that many Mini users have been eagerly awaiting, and it would be a welcome addition to the Mini 4's capabilities. The desire for a 360-degree rotating camera is a common wish among drone enthusiasts, and its potential inclusion in the DJI Mini 4 is indeed an exciting prospect. Such a camera would offer a remarkable enhancement to the drone's capabilities, opening up creative possibilities for capturing panoramic and immersive footage. With a 360-degree rotating camera, users would have the freedom to capture stunning shots from various angles without needing to physically reposition the drone. This feature simplifies the process of obtaining breathtaking panoramic footage and enables users to experiment with unique and dynamic shots, making it an appealing option for both novice and experienced drone pilots. For beginners, this feature could be particularly valuable as it eliminates the need for precise manual control and allows for more intuitive and user-friendly operation. Ultimately, the addition of a 360-degree rotating camera to the DJI Mini 4 would not only enhance its versatility, but also provide users with an exciting tool for creating captivating aerial content. Based on the leaked images online, it appears that the contents of the Fly More combo for the Mini 4 will be sold separately, following a similar approach to the Mavic 2 Pro or DJI FPV kits. This arrangement can be quite convenient, as buyers won't have to decide on the Fly More combo or standalone kit at the time of purchase. It seems unlikely that there will be two distinct versions, regular and Pro, as initially suggested by leaks. Instead, there may be just one version, quite possibly the Pro model, with two different SKUs for varying remote controller configurations. DJI typically offers competitive pricing compared to competitors like Hotel Robotics. It's expected that the pricing will be around $735 for the regular controller version and around $883 for the version with the controller featuring a built-in screen. There you have it, folks. The latest update for the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. With new flight modes, improved camera features, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and more, this update takes an already fantastic drone to new heights. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow drone enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and happy flying.